Welcome to the Amazement of Science by Kristen N. and Samuel J. Cells. There are two different kinds of cells, an animal cell and a plant cell. A plant cell is different from an animal cell because a plant cell has a cell wall and both of their vacuoles are large and small. A cell plant also has cytoplasm. An animal cell does not. Vertebrates and invertebrates. An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone, like a worm. An vertebrate is an animal with a bone, like a cat. Ecosystems. There are some ecosystems. We live on a land ecosystem with a bunch of organisms. And there's also a water ecosystem where other organisms live, like fish. Litter. Don't be a litter bug. When you get trash, throw it away. It can help our ecosystem. Biomes. There are 3 different kinds of biomes on this paper. There is a plain biome, which is good for animals because they have a lot of grass. A valley biome is a bunch of hills. A mountain biome is a bunch of mountains with snow on top, which would be good for climbing. Fossils. A fossil is a trace from a living thing that once lived long ago, like a plant or a dinosaur. You can still find them today. What we breathe. Did you know that what we breathe is oxygen? It's 21%. The other gases that some things are is 1%. Did you know that oxygen is made of nitrogen? Nitrogen is 78%. That's more than the oxygen and the gas together. Water cycle. Did you know that there is a water cycle? First, you need the sun. Then you need the heat from the sun, which makes evaporation, and then clouds, which make condensation, then precipitation that is made of snow, sleet, hail, rain, and freezing rain. Land, it would go onto the land, which would go to groundwater, then to the runoff, over the watershed, and then repeats. Fronts. There is a warm front and a cold front and a stationary front. A warm front goes down and pushes away the cold front. A cold front pushes up for the warm front. A stationary front is a boundary between a warm front and an air front, so they cannot collide. Did you know that if a warm front and a cold front collide, there could be serious storms? Climates. This picture shows a warm climate, like a desert. A desert has cactuses and not a lot of rain. This one shows a picture of a cold climate, like Antarctica. It has a lot of water, and there's polar bears and penguins, and there's snow. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun.